the world outside right now. I'm in my dining room. And it's snowing. You can see it, eh? And you can get an idea of the wind, because look at that. It is very, very cold. This is the neighbor next door to us, and you can see the wind is blowing so hard that it's like blowing snow everywhere. Look at that. I'm in the sanctuary room, by the way. Okay, so anyway, there you can see it on the window of the neighbors. That's their back window. Lovely, isn't it? There you can get an idea for the blowing snow. Isn't that just lovely? It's Friday, December 4th. This is the view from the office. The snow is sticking to the windows. See? Sticking to the screen. Anyway, it's about 10:15 in the morning. Oh joy, winter is here. Look at that blowing snow, look at that.